The carnival of cricket is about to feel very different. The IPL has always been about noise, color, and moments that stay with you. This season adds a new layer to that experience. Google India has officially partnered with the BCCI for IPL 2026. This changes how the game will be followed, understood, and talked about. Google Search's new match experience is now the official premier partner for the season. Watching cricket is no longer a one-way experience. Every fan with a phone now has a second screen that keeps up with the game. Let me explain how that works. The broadcast continues, the phone fills in the gaps. There is a clear reason behind this move. India remains the world's biggest cricket market. The scale of a fan engagement is definitely unmatched. Google is stepping right into that daily habit. So think of those moments when a match is hanging in the balance. Every ball matters. Now, you can check the chances of a win instantly. You can look at how a bowler performs in pressure overs. You can get context without leaving the screen. This system, I believe, follows the rhythm of the game. It picks up patterns, reads situations, and gives you answers that what the match is going to go ahead and give you in terms of the unveiling of it. That adds a new layer to how fans stay connected to the match. There is also, of course, a shift for creators. Tools are being rolled out to help generate quick highlights and match breakdowns. Creators can now respond to moments as they happen with deeper context at their fingerprints. Of course, now changes how match stories are told. The direction is becoming clearer. Fans are moving toward a more personal way of following the game. Each person tracks what matters to them. For Google, this builds everyday usage. For the BCCI, on the other hand, it adds another dimension to the league. There is also, of course, something to consider, which is, does having more information change the feeling of the game, or does it bring you closer to every moment? The numbers suggest fans want more involvement, and this partnership leans into that shift. A new phase is definitely beginning. The distance between the screen and the stadium is shrinking. The IPL continues to evolve with every season. The question now is simple. Are you ready to experience cricket in a whole new way? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.